This is Code.org. I'm currently working on their CS Discoveries course. Let's see what we're doing. Decoding multiple numbers. Here's a widget that can calculate numbers up to 8 bits, also known as a byte. You can use it to find the value of 2 world records below. Don't forget to make sure that the 1 bit is always the rightmost bit. If you have extra bits on the left side of the widget, just keep them turned off. Yeah, this is always the ones place. I could have this and then all of this be zeros, and it's the exact same number. It doesn't matter. We always want the bit all the way over here. Longest tail of a dog in inches is 5 bits. Okay, so since now I know that the bit counting always starts this side, 5 bits. Notice these are all white, so on, and I'll pause. And it's looking like oh, I'm 1 bit shy here. There we go. I was like, 31. Huh, okay. And so the reason this would match is it turns black right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's all I care about is the first 5 bits. So I put them there, and I leave these blank or at 0. Now, most spoons balanced on someone's face, 5. And so, most spoons balanced on someone's face, I wonder, I have this many bits left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I should make it match these second 5 bits, the 5 bits I have left. So then, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, aha! 30. I am thinking 30. Because we process through the bits right to left. Cool.